I'm not sure if I'll survive AI, to be honest. I don't. I'm embracing AI, but I don't know what's going to happen in a year or two, right? In terms of revenue, finances. So to back that up, what I've done is I have built 2 products, right? 0 users at the moment. So, and they're 2 micro SaaS, and I had to prove to myself that I can use AI tools to build a real product, right? So I've got 2. So let's actually start with Mindpath.app. I'm not going to go too deeply into these products, but this is around how do you know that your pain point or what people are searching for, or your idea is how do you know that people are searching for it, right? Is there a problem? Is there search demand? And on top of that, you don't want to compete with big domains. So this is essentially, Mindpath is just finding low competition keywords for your need, right? So this is the product for that. And yeah, this was a journey in itself just to build a tool. Okay. So I wanted to see if I could repeat the sister. So I ended up creating Larai. So Larai.app. And this is kind of like myself, right? So for makers who build but rarely promote. So it's 1 session a week. You'll then have 7 posts, 3 articles in your voice without context switch. Okay. So you can start a 14-day free trial, no card required. And here's a demo of the actual, the app itself, right? You get posts, you get articles. Okay. So I built 2 products, right? I'm very proud of myself. Now, the next step is finding users. Okay. So that already is the problem. Okay. So step 1, build products. Step 2, find users. But I've just been realizing, and I'm pretty sure you might know about this, is step 1 is finding users. Step 2, then build, right? So that I think is the flow. So that is where I'm trying to focus on, which is the distribution. And you could see my following. I don't have a big account, right? I've been on X for a while, but what I'm arriving to is digital tools, distribution tools. And when I mean that, I mean, can I use X? Can I use Reddit? Can I use YouTube, right? To, you would say grow an audience, right? So, but then you want a specific ICP. This is what I've been learning a lot, your ideal customer profile, right? So you don't just say designer or developer. You might want to say be specific, like, you might want to say something like solo designer or solo indie maker who has made a product with 0 users. I mean, that is very specific. And I'm still learning about this. So you want to be quite specific on your ICP. And the reason why I've been specific is because of the micro SaaS. So a micro SaaS is more niche, right? We're not targeting a big market. Anyway, enough of the rambling there. So you can see what I'm planning, right? And this is the current Ento 404 website. Let me actually go to the real thing. Okay, so this is where we currently are. Okay, and as you know that, yes, we're building a landing page, but what is the purpose? So here is the narrative. So I built 2 products, 0 users. I'm building distribution tools. Because I'm doing a lot of research to find new ideas, to find pain points, and to find users, I end up having like a daily, weekly cadence. So I have reports, and they're looking at Reddit, they're looking at search demand, and I'm actually can provide one every week. Okay, one every week. And if you subscribe, then that's the value you're going to get. Because another pain point that I've been seeing on Reddit is, hey, I built something, I have 0 users, right? So there's quite a lot about that. So is it the actual idea? Is it that you don't market it enough? Is it that you just haven't found search demand? Is it that what you're targeting is not really an active pain or an active demand, as in people are not actually searching for it? So there's so many questions, and then what do? Do you pivot? Do you then, another strategy is looking at the competition, right? You might look at 5 competitors. Some are pretty big, some are small. And this is what I'm doing with X, for example, because I'm building a tool on X, right? And then you want to find the gaps. Does that align with you, your values, your energy? So I'm going on tangents, but this is like a weekly report and there's different ideas. Okay. And I've had so many ideas, and it's easy to have ideas, but can you back that up with data? Can you get confidence that this is what the pain is? This is what people are actually paying for already. This is another thing, right? Are they actually paying for an existing solution, but they want Y? So they pay for X, they want Y. A use case is Hrefs or Hrefs. I'm pretty sure you come across this tool, which I've used before myself, right? But the pricing is obviously depending on who you are, right? So I'm a solo builder, and this is quite expensive. Okay, so what is the alternatives? So when I say alternatives, that is actually a phrase that people use on Reddit. The pain point is, hey, something's too expensive. What is the alternative? Have they actually paid for this? I'm not sure, right? But this is where all the research comes in. Let's go back to what I'm doing on ento404.com, right? So you get a weekly report. This is, as you say, I'm building an email list, essentially, right? And that is distribution. And this is what takes time, right? It's not going to happen overnight. So think of it like compounding effort. Okay, if you're into investing, then compounding is something you need to think about in terms of building distribution. And that's why it's hard, because it takes time. Building products is easy, but actually distribution is not. Anyway, I don't want to keep ranting too much. So here is experiments. So I'm just showcasing what I've done, and then my socials, right? Now, I've done a redesign on Figma, and this is what the video is going to be about, right? I'm going to do a live coding session, see if it actually works. Okay. So this is the updated design, right? So enter 404, my name, credibility, and then the narrative, the story, starting with the research. Okay. The idea. So here's an actual phrase that's been around on Reddit. Hrefs is too expensive. It's built for agencies and not solo builders. Okay, so get the weekly idea, subscribe. Here are the projects: Mindpath, Larai, experiments, journal. This is just an example of how it would look if there's a lot of items, and then social, and then a fancy 404 at the end, right? And then you got light modes, but I'm not going to get too crazy about that. This is another thing, right? So I was thinking, okay, do I actually put the 404 at the top? This is where I'd like your comments on this, right? And this is where you can go crazy, right? And I just don't think right now it might be the time. It will be eventually, where I'm imagining when you're hovering, it's going to change colors, pixelated colors. That would be quite fun to do. But you can see it's pushing down the main thing, which is you want people to subscribe, right? What is the value for them? So, and then here's how it looks on mobile. Anyway, let's try and do this. So you can see I've got Claude on the left, right? I just actually asked it about the YouTube, the video. And you can actually see here, there's some insider thing, right? Alternatives to too expensive, overkill, they cancel it, they raise prices, they switch from, right? These are phrases that I'm looking for on Reddit. So let's get into it, right? So here is cursor. Let me just move my... So yeah, this is actually how I end up working. It's a bit insane, right? It might be too much for you. Well, here we have cursor. I've got I forgot what they call it, the something window, right? Some users don't like this agents window. They like the good old, I don't know what you call it now, editor window or something.